Ahoy and welcome to Lazy Gadgets. This time it's all about Cyberpunk. Not 2077, big fan, but no. I made this laser rifle. I mean, it's a bit, it's NCPD. Yeah, Night City PD. But still, it's not from the game, and this one's actually for next time, so you didn't see that. I will turn this into Cyberpunk as well. Wait for it. So, laser SMG. As you can already see, lots of lights, lots of color, and for a change, some letters on it just to fill empty space. And even the front looks very different. And there's also tactical rails, like one really big rail on top, just because I think it looks cyberpunky. Just like the yellow hoses, just, you know, cyberpunky AF. Same for this, yeah, knuckle duster handguard here. This is the trigger. Just yeah, I think it's totally cyberpunky. Like the colors, the yellow strips, that's my regular cyberpunk paint scheme. So yeah, maybe I will even weather it a bit. It looks like the factory issued, like brand new. So maybe I will put some more color on it. Right now I'm pretty happy with it though. Let me know how you like it. I don't think anybody ever said he doesn't like it, so you would be the first, but still, talk to me in the comments. I made, yeah, two other rifles like this. One was called the Predator rifle, and the other one was an alien rifle with a color shifting paint on it, I think. And now I wanted to make a version like straight out of the game, because actually, to be honest, the game doesn't really have enough sci-fi weapons, so here you have one. And for today's test, let's just burn some paper. Yeah, the battery's dying, but it still works. Once again, oh, instant hit. And some say I can't, I don't have any aim. Yeah, that was just luck. It works really well on the blue darts, I don't know why. You can see the beam going right through. Yeah, he won't recover from this. Really like wood. And it burns. I can't do too much damage because I actually need this brush. He's a friend and useful, so yeah. I just love the front on this one. Looks badass and unusual. The tubings, the lights, orange, a bit of pink. Maybe the pink should have been blue, but whatever. Blue lights under there. The paint job. This is really one of my favorite projects. I was working on it like a maniac, so I didn't make it for anybody. It's still in my possession. I still own it, so I don't think I will let go of this. This is mine, but who knows? And that's it. And next time, as mentioned, I have been challenged, and somebody told me and said you can't turn a pirate gun, a flintlock gun into yeah, steampunk would be kind of easy, into cyberpunk. So next time you can either see me succeed or fail. That's up to you. This will gonna be lots of fun. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned and bye bye.